How to reduce environmental impact in mining operations. What if the most valuable thing your mine could produce wasn't just metal but a cleaner planet? Mining may power our modern world, but it doesn't have to come at the environment's expense. The future of mining is sustainable and profitable. Mining operations have long been linked to deforestation, water pollution, and carbon emissions. But today, companies are under pressure to operate more responsibly, and the smartest are embracing eco-innovation to stay ahead. Here's how to reduce environmental impact in mining without sacrificing productivity. 1. Adopt clean energy sources. Replace diesel generators with solar, wind, or hybrid energy systems. Not only do these reduce emissions, but they also cut long-term energy costs and improve reliability in remote locations. 2. Use precision mining technology. Leverage AI, drones, and IoT sensors to target only high-value areas. This reduces waste rock extraction, lowers fuel use, and minimizes surface disruption. 3. Invest in water recycling systems. Water is critical to mining, but often wasted. Closed-loop systems can reuse 80 to 90% of water, reducing contamination and protecting local ecosystems. 5. Rehabilitate and reforest. Start reclamation efforts early. Use native plants to restore biodiversity and reshape landforms to prevent erosion and runoff after extraction ends. 5. Transition to electric or hybrid equipment. Electric haul trucks, loaders, and drills significantly reduce noise, fumes, and carbon output, while also lowering maintenance costs. 6. Improve waste management. Treat tailings safely and explore opportunities to repurpose byproducts for construction, agriculture, or battery manufacturing. Sustainable mining isn't just about doing less harm, it's about building long-term value for people, the planet, and your bottom line. Like, comment, and subscribe for weekly insights on clean tech, green operations, and the future of responsible industry.